Hello, everyone. It's Margaret Martin here with your Mindful Monday. So we've had, sorry, Facebook Live has all kinds of things popping up in front of me while I'm trying to record. So starting all over again, it's Margaret Martin here with your Mindful Monday, and thank you so much for joining me and watching. When you're not watching live, I'm here on Facebook Live, but I appreciate your comments. And if you're watching this, once I upload it to YouTube, would love your comments there as well. You know, so I decided to have the theme celebrate. I mean, what a month. Here we are. It's December. Oh my goodness. All the things that we've gone through this year. So this week's theme of Celebrate is all the things you've accomplished this year that you didn't anticipate. What was on your list of things? I mean, for goodness sakes, we started out the year in good shape for most of us, and then boom, we went into lockdown. We learned to deal with hair that didn't get cut for 3 months. And I saw as many men complaining about it as women. And the men said, "Oh, I'll just put on a cap." They think that looks more as equally professional. I disagree, but oh well. At any rate, I learned to shop on Instacart. And so, what are some of the things you learn to do this year that wasn't on your radar to do? As I said, so I listed a few things in the comments, but certainly learning to wear a mask, stay physically distanced. Still doing that. My county has a mask mandate, and I'm thankful for that because we have fewer cases, and for the most part, people respect that. We know it's not a forever thing, and at least I do. But I'm respectful of others, and I want to keep me safe, my family safe, and everybody else safe. Yeah. So, what else did I learn this year? Well, for one thing, that I could painfully go 3 months without hugging any of my children or grandchildren or even friends. So that was hard. One of the hardest things I've ever done. We've also celebrated birthdays and things. One of the things I had is a virtual birthday dinner with my children, and that was really cool. And so, so we've learned to do a lot of things. I've been using Zoom for several years, so I've taught other people how to use it successfully, even clients. And so, many of them had been on video before, but not all the time. So, staying in touch with family, making sure, all the family and friends are safe. And so, what have you accomplished this year? What was on that showed up? And you realize, for many of you who may be speakers or work for your business, all of a sudden you had to go into a different modality of work, and so it's all been interesting. We'll definitely celebrate the fact this is the last month of this year. I like the number of 2020. I thought it was really cool, and boy, what surprises did we have. So please feel free to share this. Please comment. I'd love to hear what top 3 things you've accomplished and learned this year that wasn't on your plan to do so. And I look forward to talking with you. I also have some news coming up about a coaching program, so stay tuned this week. I'm going to be starting a group coaching program in January, and so I'll be putting the details in my Facebook page as well. So stay tuned. Good stuff is happening, and hope you have an awesome week ahead. Take good care, and thanks for watching.